Speaker, I think the statement is clearly unsatisfactory. Reason why I say this, Madam Speaker, you cannot bring the procedures of procurement when you know you cannot procure the periods. Madam Speaker, we must be clearly told that we have methods of procurement that are direct procurement. Why do we want to use long methods of procurement when we know that this is thing that is very emergent? Madam Speaker, periods are emergencies. According to what we know, Madam Speaker, people who delay these procedures in terms of procurement, and there are men, I wish God made them to start flowing. They will know why, Madam Speaker. It is that problem. Madam Speaker, again, even the ministry, Madam Speaker, is supposed even to provide some drugs. Some girls have complications when they are in this period. They have stomach crumbles, some of them, a very painful stomach crumbles. You must go to the level of even providing drugs called Pascopan and toxic for these girls. Madam Speaker, we must be careful, and these are our girls. We must protect them. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Member for Turkana County. Honorable Osoro, I know very well you're up to some mischief, so I'll exercise my discretion and pay no attention to you. Proceed, Member for Turkana County. This is the only opportunity that the people who are concerned with this topic can have an opportunity to talk about it. You have no experience or empirical evidence to present to this House. Honorable Osoro. Proceed, Member for Turkana County.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me this chance. Madam Speaker, we have always said this House is a house of facts, and we should